Guys, yabona them selekuzi now. The pretense there. Yabona manje you just in that relationship nje, that whole relationship of being there in the sithembu with your man there umusa mseligo. It's more like tolerance now. It's like, oh, sengihleli nje. Oh. It's crazy there. This family, guys, it's escalating. Remember I said about 2 weeks ago, it's escalating instead of kube ngcono in their lives. Kunomona, kunanana. And ega makhumalo into nomusa ne for umusa. It's not umona. She's making money now, she's better, I made her. No, it's not even that anymore. It's more like I wanna control her. Guys, kuningi la. So umusa ke uye wavela ke kaMakhwela ukuyobona ingane ne. My thing is that why didn't umusa ayihlanganise zonke izinto ayobona ingane ahlawula ingane umusa ngoba lengane mase ubuka hlithelele ekhaya akalotshuli uMakhwela, there's nothing there. I'm just like, what are you even doing? And the way uMakhwela was so happy, I was just like, sithi bekufanele ube happy for ukuthi ulotshole or ingane ihlale ungathi you coming to bring gifts. And most people becabanga ukuthi mhlambe yibizo nombondo or something like that. To that effect. But umusa vele wathi ngizobona ingane wafika kuMaceleke nesitolola sakhe. I'm sure you lose 3,000 rands in it. I'm just imagining at the back of my mind. And I'm just like, wow. After uMacele had said yena into ehlangene nemishado akahlangene umusa mayishada ngeke asozaza lapho ukubona lonto. And apparently she had another event eMthwalume kwamanye ama-relatives akhe. The next thing umuntu nango sayabonakala futhi kaMakhwela uyacula namastrollers akhe in a big huge box. I'm just like, sisi, please, can you just be true to yourself for once? Ufunani manje la? And then uyayazi ibeef yakhe ke noMakhumalo. I'm just like, uMakhumalo has supported uMacele before, but uMakhumalo nje, I mean uMacele has something around uMakhumalo, some beef that's going on there. And most people are like, umona ngobunyamaleni uMakhumalo. I'm just like, guys, umseligu as he's making a speech laphana ke kuboka Met phela, kuboka umntanakhe lo, kuboka Makhwela akhala umusa. I'm just like, ubani nje umazi okakhala ekhweni. They can't take him serious there. Ngoba kaMakhwela manje sebezohlala nalento yokuthi nje hayibo, will you even marry her? Umuntu ovela azelazo ikhalisa. I was like, their performance and the drama was unnecessary, honestly. Mase kuzoba umnini wezinto zonke turning 13. I didn't expect that. I don't know why did I think umnini would be like 15. Ganti, he's still a baby. Ingane kamayeni, I was just like, what? So the mom penned him this really beautiful message nje about growing up nokuthi nje, you know what, love your personality. Wena mntanami ungashintshi ube lo muntu oyena forever and ever. So Nini is a teenager, guys, now. And then also Umusanji just remembered some family members of his that actually passed on in December. I didn't even know that. And in Jan, his brothers Abagaduma, he was just emotional about it. Like guys, you know what, I just became crazy. Umusanji shame bandla uyadabukisa sometimes as uyadabukise yabo nje esekhala kaMakhwela. That's the one for me. I just felt like, you know what, lo baba babantu kuningi ezinye inyembezi uyabona ukuthi yampela they are genuine. It's not about drama. And lo muntu lo baby ukhalela ngaphakathi, maybe it's just never enough for ukuthi naye unabo abanye abafowabo sort of that are not really blood friends and all that he can speak to, but nje uyambona nje ukuthi wena wathi umusa goes through the most.